Hello, welcome back to Gordon's Web Development channel. And for the second video, we are going to talk about how to link a CSS style sheet to your web page. And first of all, we will create a new CSS style sheet file here in the VS Chrome. Right-click and new file, and then name it as, for example, style.css. And here, when we go to the index.html, in the head, we will start typing with the link element, and then the relationship is style sheet, and then the reference is, you see here, code is helping us to autofill the file name, and that is a very awesome feature. And then we close the head. And now remember, when you see this dot, we need to use Ctrl S to save the file. And now you see that there is no color yet because we have not added a style. So let's add a style. Let's say, for example, the background color. We can use the autofill background color, for example, and then the text color, for example. Okay, you see actually when you hover on it, you can use a color editor, and you can scroll around to find your favorite color. So you don't need to remember this color hooks. But if you have favorite color code, of course you can remember it like me. And then now you need to save the file with Ctrl S, and then you go to refresh the web page, and then ta-da! And the color has been applied. So this is how to link the CSS style sheet to your web page. Thank you for watching. Bye.